This new AI lets you create text animations in seconds. You can now create text animations like Apple, Vox, or whoever else you want in a matter of seconds. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. First, I want to make a text like Apple. So I found this Apple-inspired video and I really like the text that they're using here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this text here that we can use as a reference. And then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to put that image inside, and then I'm going to ask it to create a prompt for me for the AI. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt to turn this Apple-inspired animation into life with AI text animation. I'm going to click Generate. Then I'm going to copy this prompt that it created. And then I'm going to go to motionvid.ai. I'm going to upload the image that we just took as reference. And then I'm going to click Done. Now I'm going to paste the prompt that I just took from ChatGPT. And let's see what it can do. So we're going to have to wait 30 seconds. That's how long it usually takes when I make these prompts. So the video is now generated. Let's see what it made. And that looks really nice. It even did this blur effect because I wasn't specific in what it should do. But it looks really nice, so I'm going to download that. Let's see, maybe we could change it and make a different one as well. So I said make the text animate in word by word, and then I'm going to click on Generate. And as you can see, it did a really nice job. As you can see, there's a bunch of templates that you can choose from. There's text, there's drawings. This text animation here looks really nice. As you can see, it animates itself in from left to right. So let's try that one. And then I'm going to give it a prompt. So I wrote the prompt. I said, make the text say, so let's get started, and make started to be the one in blue. I'm going to click on Generate. Let's wait 30 seconds. So the video is now generated. Let's see what it made. And there you have it. It made it pretty well. I can download that. And let's make something else. I really like this template here. Let's have a look at it. So this looks really nice. It kind of looks like a newspaper. So what I'm going to do is use this template. Change the text in this template to talk about Obama instead of Trump. And let's put Obama here instead of Trump. Take a lovely PNG of Obama. So let's take this beautiful PNG of Obama. Save the downloads. Then I'm going to click on Upload Image. Now there's two types of images that I found that you can use. One is reference, and the AI basically tries to create something with that image as an inspiration. And then there's additional image where if you want the image to appear in the animation. So let's do additional image. Let's go to downloads. So I've uploaded the image of Barack. Okay, so I said change the text in this template to talk about Obama instead of Trump. Also change the image of Trump in the bottom left and replace it with Obama, the image that I have provided. So let's click on Generate and see what it makes. Okay, so the video is now generated. Let's see what it makes. I'm quite curious. Obama influences American politics. Okay then, and there you have it. I don't like that it's just showing his head here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to make the image of Obama smaller so it fit his torso also. So let's click on Generate and see what it makes. So the video is now generated. Let's see what it does. And that looks pretty cool. I really like this newspaper effect. I guess if you were a journalist, this would be a pretty good template to use. So we're going to download that and let's move on to the next animation. So let's look at other templates that we could use. Guys, this is blowing my mind, by the way. This used to take me hours to do. It's crazy how you can just make these in a couple of minutes. Okay, so this one looks really nice. Let's try that one. So I'm going to give it a prompt. So I change the text of this animation to this AI lets you create text animations in seconds, and put in seconds in the bottom part. And then I'm going to click on Generate. So now we're going to wait 30 seconds. So the animation is now done. Let's see what it did. And that looks really cool. They also have this option up here where you can change the background. So I guess if we wanted, we can make it red or perhaps a beige color. And that looks really nice as well. We could also make it transparent, and that way we can have it overlay in our videos. So what I'm going to do is actually download a transparent version. Perfect. So let's see what else we can do with this AI. Let's go to templates. So these look really nice. This one here looks really crazy. I guess it would be cool if you want to create like some mystery in the video. Yeah, let's actually try this one. Why not? So I made a prompt. I said, make the text talk about the best diet rather than the text it currently has. And let's click on generate and see what it does. So the video is now generated. Let's see what it did. That looks pretty cool. I guess I would use this for like a quick animation in my video. If, for example, I was a fitness YouTuber, I could use this to just show a teaser of what the video is going to be about. So yeah, let's download that and let's see what else we can make with this AI. So let's make a little bit of a challenge to ourselves. I want to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it, give me the most popular textiles animations out there that look really professional. Okay. Glitch text animation. These all look pretty cool. Let's ask it to make the second one. So I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for a text animation AI I'm using, make it detailed and make it say glitch text animation. So let's copy that and let's see what this can do. So I'm going to go to motionvid.ai, put that in, and let's see what it makes. All right, so I'm really curious. The video is generated. Let's see what it did. Okay, cool. I don't think I would use this because it's a bit too glitchy for my taste. But let's try a different one. Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I like number 4, so I'm going to ask it to make a prompt for number 4. So I made the prompt. Let's copy that. Then go to motionvid.ai. And let's paste it in and let's see what it makes. So the video is now done. Let's click play. And there you have it. I personally don't like this style of animation, so I'm going to say make it more minimal. And let's also just change the style to glassmorphism. Why not? So the video is now done. Let's see what it made. Okay, that looks cool. So let's download that. It's really crazy what you can do in just 1 minute. Like usually this will take me hours. So it looks pretty good, so I decided to download it. So that's it for this video. You can now create professional animations with AI in seconds. If you want to try it for yourself, go to motionvid.ai. I put a link down below.